Welcome to 111 Palm Drive Unit 5, located in Naples. Sunrise in the Glades in Naples, Florida, featuring a great location, close to dining, shopping, and world-famous downtown Naples and white sand beaches. This two-bedroom, two-bath condo has fabulous views of the well-maintained Glades Golf Course. Naples Sunrise features a community pool, new roof installed in 2024. This well-maintained first-floor condo has had many systems and equipment replacements since 2019. In 2019, a new 3-panel sliding glass door was installed. In 2020, new ceiling fans in both bedrooms and living room were installed, and also in 2020, a new water heater, refrigerator, stove, disposal, microwave, plus faucets in the kitchen and master bathroom were added, along with tub/shower controls for both bathrooms and a new toilet in the master bathroom. In 2022, new impact windows in the front were added. The condo has an accordion shutter protected newer window in master bedroom and accordion shutters for the lanai. Also in 2022, a new GE washer was added, and in 2023, a new programmable thermostat was added. As an added feature, this condo comes with an assigned spacious detached storage room that is approximately 8.5 foot by 5.5 foot with assigned covered parking in front of the storage room, which is also located on the end and not between the two covered parking spaces. Don't miss this well-maintained, affordable condo in Naples, Florida. Set your showing appointment today.